I've got spring rolls going in the air fryer. I'm patiently waiting right next to it. They're ready. So excited. Oh, they're really hot still. Dip it in the sweet chili sauce. Yum. Oh, still really hot. But are you ever having spring rolls if you're not burning your mouth?
Chefy tip, how to slice or dice an onion. This is the root, this is the tip. Remove the tip, keep the root, slice down the onion. Remove the skin. The reason why you keep the root is it holds it together. Turn it. This is to dice. To slice, remove the top, like that. And the root. Peel away the skin. Slice crosswise, now lengthwise. For half moon slices, makes it pretty.
Let's make a gorgeous zucchini au gratin. You're going to start with 3 or 4 zucchini and just slice them as evenly as you can get. Lay them out on a baking tray and sprinkle them with salt and let them sit for about 15 minutes. Now we can go ahead and move on to our sauce. Add all these to a pan. You're going to start with your butter and your garlic. Saute those for 30 seconds, then add the rest of the ingredients. Go ahead and mix that up till it's nice and smooth and creamy. Now, after the 15 minutes, the salt has had a chance to sweat out all the moisture out of that zucchini. This is a really important step. Just take a paper towel and blot them as dry as you can get them. Line them in a casserole dish just like this. Top it with that gorgeous sauce and add a little bit more cheese. And that's it. Put it in the oven at 425 for about 20 minutes and you have absolute perfection. If you try this, let me know, and don't forget to like and follow for more low-carb recipes.
Easy peasy lunch. It's like an egg salad cracker sort of stack, I don't know. First step, you want to mash up your eggs. Add some salt, a little mustard, a little bit of mayo. I don't like to drown mine. I always like adding some fresh herbs. Just chop it in. You can use parsley, coriander, whatever you like. Easy peasy egg salad. Now get your cracker. I'm using these corn thins. I'm going to start with some rocket, some egg salad, some tomatoes, and then the last part, the pickles.
That's what I'm f***ing talking about. And here's how you make cookies and cream popcorn.
Go grab a blunt object.
Okay. Does this work, little Linda?
Yeah, now grab the cookies and add them to a Ziploc bag. Mash them with your favorite tool. Great work, Linda. Bring your kernel. Don't forget to top it. Microwave and wait patiently for 3 minutes.
Yeah, baby. Look at that.
In a bowl, add white chocolate with coconut oil. Microwave, mix, microwave, mix. Grab the popcorn, pour on the white chocolate, then add in the smashed cookies and mix. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Finally, serve and enjoy.
Hello, all these Oreos. We are going to make a chocolate Oreo pops without the mold.
Now we just use the Oreo bag, measure heavy cream, and another bag, milk. Next, we're blending everything together. Now we just use the empty Oreo bag as the mold, scoop the mixture in, then we put in a container, leave them in the freezer about 30 minutes. Then we put a stick in. While they are sleeping in the freezer, we're making a chocolate coating. Add coconut oil to thin the chocolate so it's more dippable. Make sure that the chocolate coating cool to room temperature so it won't melt your pop. Let's take a bite. So crunchy. Let's feed my circus. They love it so much. 我们下次再见.
If you're a fan of chocolate dessert, you're going to want to watch this video all the way to the end. So you're going to start by adding all your dry ingredients to a mixing bowl. Whisk it up together till it's nice and combined. Drop in your eggs, vanilla, and oil and give it a slight mix. Next, you can add cream cheese and boiling water. This boiling water is going to help this all come together beautifully, so you can then spread it on a parchment-lined baking tray. Get it nice and even all the way across. Bake it at 350 for 15 minutes and let it cool completely. Now we can make our cream cheese filling using a stand mixer or a hand mixer until it's nice and smooth. Then you can go ahead and spread it all the way around on your cake. Now using the parchment, carefully roll it into a log, top it with confectioner's swerve, and you have yourself a gorgeous chocolate Swiss roll.
And one of my friends kind of said, If you're happy doing what you're doing, then nobody can tell you you're not successful. I mean, it's so obvious, but it's also the kind of thing where probably 4 years ago, if someone had said that to me, I'd be like, okay.
Because you were too busy making everybody else happy.
Now's the time to have fun. You hit these bumps in the road where you're kind of thinking, is this good enough? And
what's up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing one of my favorite one-pot rice dishes. This is known as Istanbuli. Up first, you're going to want to dice up some onions and pour some oil into it. Once those saute for a little bit, you're going to add some potatoes, some turmeric, and split that in half and add the chicken. Once that cooks down for a bit, you're going to add your bell peppers and 1 can of diced tomatoes. You're going to add your soaked long grain rice, a cup of water, and let that reduce. For some heat, I use some cayenne pepper, but once it's reduced, you're going to put a paper towel and cover it. Once all the liquid's gone, you're ready. Enjoy it with a salad, and you can find that recipe on my page.
Chicken satay. This is one of my favorite ways to prepare chicken. It's so flavorful and it may be easier than you realize to make. Let me show you how to do it. Take 2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken breast, cube it up and throw it in a Ziploc bag. Take the rest of these ingredients and pop it in a food processor. Blend it up till it's nice and smooth. Now you have your chicken marinade. Marinate this at least 2 hours, preferably overnight. Then go ahead and pop these on some skewers so you can grill them up. I'm going to use an indoor grill, preferably use an outdoor. If you have neither, cook them in the oven. Take all these ingredients for the peanut sauce in a small saucepan on medium heat just until it's nice and smooth and heated through. And that's literally all it takes, you guys. If you try this, please let me know what you think. And don't forget to like and follow for more low-carb recipes.
Absolutely delicious. Let me show you how to make my super quick 2-ingredient pizza. It only takes 10 minutes to make. First of all, mix your flour with the same amount of Greek yogurt. Now, knead your dough for 10 minutes, then roll it out until sexy. Finally, cook your pizza in an oily pan for about 2 minutes. Flip it on the other side, add your favorite ingredients, and cover with a lid until the mozzarella melts. Mamma mia.
Sweet potato. I love you, sweet potato. Karate chop the skin off and karate chop into fries. You want them thin and even, not choppy and unsymmetrical. Get rid of those. Grab a bowl, add in oil, salt, garlic powder, paprika, and black pepper. Give it a quick stir and shoot in the fries. Give them a flippity-doo-dah till fully coated. Grab my homeboy, Aaron the air fryer. Then cook the fries at 360 for 10 minutes. Give them a quick shimmy and cook again at 400 for 3 minutes. Add to a cup and top with honey.
Those are totally sweet, dude.
Absolutely delicious. Let me show you how to make the most delicious and vegan spinach pesto. I love spinach. First of all, mix together your spinach with almonds, a garlic clove and basil. Finally, sprinkle some sea salt and a drop of olive oil. Now your pesto is ready. You can mix it with your spaghetti and don't forget to whisper.
Oh my gosh, I'm so hungry. Stop with all the complaining crap. And let's go make an Oreo frap. Nice. Throw me the blender. Add in 1 cup of ice, instant coffee, a half cup of water.
Always gotta give it a taste test.
5 Oreos, 1/4 cup of condensed milk. I forgot to shoot adding the vanilla ice cream. Add to a blender, blend, shimmy, blend, pour into a glass, and top with whipped cream and Oreos. Gorgeous! Gourmet college snacks, pizza sticks, pizza crust. Rip it open and slam that f***ing jar.
That felt good.
Take out the 9 and spray down the baking tray. Lay out the pizza crust. Roll it out and cut into 8 equal pieces. Grab your cheese sticks, lay them on the dough, and top with pepperoni. Roll it up like one of my backwoods. Brush on with butter and garnish with parsley. And bake at 450 for 10 minutes. Then serve it with marinara. Do you see that cheesy inside?
It's like cheesy stuffed crust.
Let's make brown butter bourbon cookies. The Kentucky Derby is coming up on May 1st. I'm so excited and I wanted to share the perfect recipe for you guys to make at home. And trust me, these cookies are it. They've got brown butter, they've got bourbon, chocolate, pecan, so many rich southern flavors. The Kentucky Derby is not just about horse racing and fashion, it's also about incredible food. Enjoy.
Absolutely delicious. Let me show you how to make my beautiful eggplant pizzas. They are super easy to make. First of all, cut your eggplant. Now sprinkle some olive oil and sea salt and in the oven for 10 minutes. Finally, spread some tomato passata, add your mozzarella, parmigiano, oregano and in the oven for 5 more minutes.
I'd been getting a lot of requests to do some seafood, and this right here is my favorite salmon recipe of all time. You're gonna fillet up your salmon. I peeled off the skin. Add some black pepper, some oregano, some garlic powder, and some chili powder. You're gonna wash some chives and parsley for garnish. Chop up some onions and garlic as well. Now you're gonna cook your salmon to your preferred temperature, and it should be nice and golden like this. Add your garlic and your onions, and once they become fragrant, add your coconut milk. You can use heavy cream as well. Season that to taste. Add Parmesan cheese and cream cheese. Add the spinach and enjoy.
This is how you make peeps in dirt. Add your Oreos to a bag, grab an axe, and smash up the Oreos till they look like this. Next, in a bowl, add cream cheese butter, get the blicky, and blend until it looks like this. Add in powdered sugar and blend till it looks like frosting. Sweet. In another bowl, grab your vanilla pudding mixture, double fist it, and add milk.
That wasn't supposed to happen.
And mix it well. Add in the cream cheese mixture and plop in the whipped topping and fold until smooth. Pour in 2/3 of the Oreos into the dish, add the whipped mixture, smooth it out, and top with the rest of the Oreos. Let cool for 2 hours, then decorate with Peeps, chocolate eggs, and mint Oreos. They look so cute.
Happy Easter.
A lot of you asked how I made my rice pepper rolls from yesterday, so I'll show you how. First, you want to have all your fillings prepped with all your veggies, protein and noodles, whatever you like. Then I've got my water dipping station, the rice paper sheets, and of course a damp tea towel so you can roll them up on there. So start with your rice paper sheet and dip it in your dipping station for about 3 dips. Now for the filling, I'm going with carrots today, some cucumber. I wish I had some avo, but I haven't got any left. I'm gonna add the chickpeas again from yesterday, which I actually liked in the end. And fresh herbs, I love using coriander, but you can use whatever you like. And lastly, the vermicelli noodles on top. To roll them up, you fold the bottom part over, then you start with each side folding in, and then you sort of roll it up tightly like a little blanket. Dip it to your peanut sauce, and you're ready.
These are my steak and cheese pinwheels with provolone and spinach. Let me show you how I did it. So I went to my meat department at the grocery store, grabbed a London broil, and asked them to slice it up for me. These are about 1/4 inch thick, maybe a little less. I'm gonna go ahead, season them with salt and pepper or whatever you like. Layer them with some fresh spinach and provolone cheese. Roll them up like this, then cut them in half. Now you can lay them flat down on the flat end just like this. Place them in a casserole dish. I'm gonna go ahead and season them with some more kosher salt over top. Bake them at 375 for about 30 to 35 minutes, and that's literally all it takes. These things are absolutely delicious, so easy to throw together. If you make these, let me know what you think, and like and follow for more low-carb recipes.
What's up guys? Today I'm going to be showing you guys one of my favorite fresh items, tabbouleh. It's honestly so simple to make, but so delicious. While your bulgur soaks up under boiling water, you're gonna prep. You're gonna cut up some cucumbers, some parsley, tomatoes, green onions, and mint. Now I honestly love this recipe because it's so healthy and so easy to make. It's super fresh and it also goes extremely well as a side dish. Now you're gonna drain your bulgur and add it to everything that you prepped. Now you're gonna add some lime juice and some extra virgin olive oil and salt and pepper to taste. And I hope you guys enjoy.
Let's make low-carb